Season 2 has been insane.
It's definitely a level up this season.
Stepping back into it has been exciting.
We all have that chemistry from shooting Season 1. What a try! And we're super excited to bring Mia into the gang.
It's kind of surreal. I have to like pinch myself.
Every time I walk to set, my jaw is on the floor.
Seeing Ba Sing Se is incredible. They've built it all outside.
Being a fan of the original, I'm freaking out on the inside because now that we're past season 1, we're into the real meat of the story, and especially with the fight scenes that we have this season. It's mind-blowing to see how much everyone has grown.
All the bending styles are really elevated this season. And I'm so excited for fans to see what's next for these characters.